Welcome everybody to Scotchman Industries. Today we're going to look at a brand new model for us. This is our 110-ton wide movable table vertical press that we just came out with. This press will move laterally, horizontally to work and get to wherever your bending needs to be. The cylinder on this again produces 110 tons of power. We do put an 11-inch extension on that cylinder. The cylinder's got 15 inches of stroke itself, so in total you have 26 inches bending movement. The machine itself is super easy to operate. Of course, you've got an emergency stop if anything ever goes wrong. It's nice and handy there, hip high. And then you only have two options after that, whether you want to stop it or start it. Once the machine is going, you do have a joystick, goes up or down. We do have two bending speeds. We have a fast approach and then a bending speed at 6 inches per second. If you want to, kind of a nice feature on this press that not many have, you can turn this machine off, hold the joystick in the down position, and manually press to get that last half a degree or full degree if you don't trust your joystick. Your pressure gauge, which comes standard on the machine, stays pressurized all the time to whatever pressure the cylinder is, so you can read that if you want to get repeatability. Of course, made right here in the United States. Give us a call here at Scotchman, 605-859-2542, or check out our website, www.scotchman.com. We're taking orders today.